Are you ready to experience the future of electric commuting? The 2026 Ola S1 Pro 2025 scooter is here to redefine the way we ride, offering unbeatable speed, style, and sustainability. From cutting-edge design to record-breaking performance, this scooter is more than just a ride. It's a revolution on two wheels. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss a single detail. Welcome to Global Auto Digest. At Global Auto Digest, we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. Today, we're diving deep into the game-changing features of the 2026 Ola S1 Pro 2025 scooter, India's premium electric two-wheeler that's set to dominate the roads. Sleek and aerodynamic design. The Ola S1 Pro 2025 combines a modern, aerodynamic silhouette with premium finishes. Its futuristic LED lighting, bold curves, and customizable color options make it stand out in any crowd. This isn't just a scooter, it's a style statement, powerful performance and speed. Under the hood, the 2026 model packs a high-performance electric motor capable of reaching speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour. With its advanced hyperdrive motor and instant torque, it delivers smooth acceleration and unmatched road presence. Whether you're in the city or cruising the highway, the Ola S1 Pro is built to thrill. Extended range and smart battery. One of the scooter's biggest highlights is its long-range lithium-ion battery, offering over 200 kilometers on a single charge. With fast charging support, you can power up from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes. Perfect for riders on the go. Next-level smart features. From a large touchscreen dashboard to GPS navigation, music control, and AI-powered riding modes, the Ola S1 Pro 2025 is as smart as it is fast. OTA updates ensure your scooter gets better with time, just like a smartphone. Sustainability meets savings. Going electric means zero tailpipe emissions and incredibly low running costs. Over time, the savings on fuel and maintenance make this scooter a smart financial choice for eco-conscious riders. Final thoughts. The 2026 Ola S1 Pro 2025 scooter is not just transportation. It's the future of urban mobility. Stylish, powerful, and eco-friendly, it's everything today's rider needs.